This case gives you 270 degrees panoramic view with one single glass panel. This is the new 580M case by FSP. It has this pretty cool curved glass, very different than regular square cases you see out there. It includes 4 RGB fans and a lateral LED strip that can be controlled with a button on the case. For this build, I'm using the Powerful Vita GM 850 watts PSU, also by FSP, that matches this case perfectly. The difficulty to building this case is 1 out of 10 once you realize that you only need to remove one screw to take off this glass panel. I'm super happy with how this turned out. There is a link in bio if you wish to know more.